SCG, we are committed to becoming a regional business leader in ASEAN through continuous innovation and product development, excellent services, and providing solutions to meet the wide variety of demand from ASEAN consumers. SCG also prioritizes sustainable business growth at all levels, starting from our planning process and production design, waste management, and recycling, reuse to create sustainability in regard to economy, society, and environment, all which is in line with the circular economy model. We strive to create development and prosperity at all levels of society and in the community we work in, under our brand promise, Passion for Better. More than 100 years of experience, SCG has weathered many changes. We continually learn, adapt, and improve our organization, and by doing so, have become the model and leading organization of ASEAN, ready to compete on the global stage. Today, SCG operates 3 main business units: Cement and Building Materials Business, Chemicals Business, Packaging Business. Today, SCG has cement production bases across Thailand. Sime Cement Gang Khoi, Sime Cement Tha Luang, Sime Cement Khao Wong, Sime Cement Lampang, Sime Cement Tung Song. Our facilities have achieved numerous awards, such as the Deming Prize, a global-level award from the Union of Japanese Scientists and Engineers, or JUSC, and EIA Monitoring Award from the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment. SCG has also been awarded with ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 from the Thai Industrial Standards Institute, Ministry of Industry. We've also attained Green Industry Award Level 5, which is the highest green industry level from the Ministry of Industry. In addition, SCG is expanding our production across the ASEAN region in order to meet future construction demand. Kompot Cement in Cambodia, PT Cement Jawa in Indonesia, Song Yan Cement and Vietnam Construction Materials in Vietnam, Mot Lam Yai Cement in Myanmar, Kham Muon Cement in Laos. SCG operates our business with social responsibility, so we improve and develop all manufacturing processes to become more efficient, together with preserving energy and the environment in every process. For example, the semi-open cut mining is only on the inside of the mountain to reduce environmental pollution such as dust, noise, and vibration. Also, the exterior areas of the mountain are kept as barriers to preserve the landscapes and forests. Moreover, using gas suspension absorber or GSA technology of dust blocking, by installing electrostatic precipitators and filter bags at any dust source, including running the wastewater renovation so that none of the polluted water is drained out in order to save natural resources and protect the environment. Waste Heat Power Generation Process, or WHG, utilizes waste heat from the cement production facility through waste heat recovery system to generate electricity. SCG has always emphasized on research and development of our products in order to meet both the wide variety of demand from the domestic market and abroad. These include SCG Portland Cement, New Standard Cement, SCG Portland Composite Cement SEM2 Strength Class 42.5, Decorative Cement under the brand name SCG, Mortar Cement under the brand name SCG for masonry, plastering, floor screed and tile work, and mixed cement under the brand name Tiger for masonry and plastering. SCG continues to conduct our business with social responsibility, develop qualified services and products, together with preserving the environment, to deliver the best products for life, future, and sustainable development.
SCG, passion for better.